Smart kitchen appliances. The kitchen is often considered the heart of the home, but with the integration of smart appliances it can become the beating pulse of innovation in your luxury property. Imagine having a fridge that knows exactly what's inside and suggests recipes based on what you have, or an oven that allows you to preheat it remotely while you're finishing up that last-minute task or coming back from a jog. With smart kitchen appliances, cooking and meal preparation becomes not just easier, but more exciting. Take refrigerators, for example. Advanced models like the Samsung Family Hub don't just store food, they act as your kitchen assistant. They can display recipes, show you what's inside without opening the door, and even create a shopping list based on what you're running low on. With smart ovens, you can remotely monitor and control cooking temperatures, ensuring your meal is always cooked to perfection, even if you're in another room. And don't forget smart coffee machines that brew your favorite cup of coffee right before you even wake up, ensuring you're greeted by the aroma of fresh coffee as soon as your feet hit the floor. With smart dishwashers, you can start the cycle from anywhere, saving you time and hassle. The possibilities are endless. These kitchen upgrades not only add luxury but also make your day-to-day life smoother and more efficient, giving you more time to enjoy your beautifully designed space and less time spent on mundane tasks.